Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming Edge is ready and you're signed in. Open Edge, sign into your Microsoft account so settings sync and any purchases carry over. Next, check settings about Microsoft Edge and update the browser to the latest version. This prevents compatibility issues. Finally, decide where you'll get the extension, the official Edge add-on store for safety, the Chrome Web Store if you need more options, or a downloaded CRX file for local installs. Once done, install the extension by going to the Edge add-on store, searching the extension name, and clicking Get Then Add Extension. If the extension you want appears only in the Chrome Web Store, first go to Edge//extensions and enable Allow extensions from other stores. Then visit the Chrome Web Store and choose Add to Chrome. Edge will handle it. Make sure to read the permissions panel. Those explain what data the extension can access. Click Add and wait for the confirmation that it's installed. To finish, open Edge//extensions or click the puzzle icon to manage your new extension. Pin it to the toolbar, open Options to configure behavior, or remove it if unwanted. Once configured, test the extension's functionality on a page where it should act. If something goes wrong, disable other extensions to check for conflicts, clear browser cache, and try reinstalling the extension. If problems remain, update Edge again or install the extension from the official store to avoid corrupted files or unsupported versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.